Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. Today we'll continue in probability sampling and we'll go to number 2, stratified sampling. Just to remind you that probability samples, this means that each population element has a non-zero chance of being chosen for the sample. So any member inside the sample has an equal chance to be selected. In population has an equal chance to be selected in the sample. So let's go to find out what we mean by stratified sampling. Stratified sampling, it means that the population is divided into groups. That these groups has been selected based on some common characteristics. Then within each group, probability sample, often sample, random sample is selected or used. In stratified sampling, each group is called strata. So we have the population. We are selecting or dividing the population into groups. These groups are selected based on some uncommon characteristics. Then within each group, we used sample random samples to pick up the members or the elements which finally represent the sample. Let's go and again we back to our researcher. This is the researcher, and these are the population. Suppose that I have 30 happy faces. Some of them, as you see, green, some of them orange, and some of them are blue. This is the population, and I want to select or divide this population into groups. Obviously, I'm going to divide the population or categorize the population into 3 categories. One of them represents the green happy faces, number 2 the blue happy faces, and number 3 the orange happy faces. So I'm going to select the blue one here and the green one here. So any happy faces will be shifted to the left, and all the blue will be shifted to the right, and the orange one will be shifted or gathered at the middle. So go to the middle, and here this is another green, this is green. Now I've finished from the green strata, so this is called strata. And then this is orange, will be collected at the middle, and this is blue, will be accumulated to the right, and here you have to go to the middle. So this is blue strata, and we have here finally the orange strata. So as you see, instead of the population that I have before, I have the same population, but it is now divided into 3 strata. I'm going to call this green strata, and this is orange strata, and finally these are the blue strata. So now I have a population with 3 stratas. This is green strata, orange strata, and blue strata. Then finally I want, let's say, 12 members from this population. You will find out, you will follow the simple random samples that we discussed last time, and we said the simplest way here is to give number to let's say I'm going to work here with the green strata, and whatever is said about green strata can be applied on orange or blue strata. So it's very simple. Just give numbers to green. This is 1, 2, 3, and this is 4, this is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So the first column to the left, it will be odd number, and the second column to the right, it will be even number. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I needed 12. So from each strata, I'm going to select 4 members. I can put odd numbers in a hat again and select 4 numbers, or you can go and yes, let's keep it. and use technology as I did last time. But here you have each strata has maximum of 10, not 30, as we did in simple random samples. So this is 1, 2, and I need 4. So I'm going to start the first one, 4. So this is the first member from green. Number 2, 9. So this is 9. And then number 3, this is number 3. And finally, we select number 5. So from green, I have taken these members. Now you will see it will be the same thing for orange and for blue. So finally, you may select this person, this happy face, and this happy face. And for blue, same thing. You may find out that these are the members of orange that represents the sample. So finally, you have 12 members as you want, and each of them you selected 4 from each strata. 4 from each strata. Hopefully, this video explains the technique stratified sampling. Okay, thank you very much, and السلام عليكم ورحمة الله